Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 69, and the topic for today is joy of creation. Few months back, I created a 10-day program called Sales Excellence Program, and it got completed, and my next batch is starting in July. And the program went very well, and the kind of satisfaction I had made me to do this post today. Rather than talking about that, let me talk about 3 learnings I got from this creation of this program. Okay, not only for this program, for anything when you create, what are the learnings we get? First, you learn that your capability is expandable. Before we start any project, we always think, am I ready for this? But the truth is, what creation teaches is, you don't build things because you are ready. You become ready by building them. I repeat, you don't build things because you are ready. You become ready by building them. That's the first learning for me. Second, you learn that action cures ambiguity. We generally postpone action because we need clarity. Creation teaches us that clarity isn't found in deep, stagnant thought. It is actually forged through active execution. Even when you don't have clarity, just start doing it. And when you keep moving, fog will clear, we'll get the clarity. And the third important learning for me is creation teaches you patience. Because many things may not go well as we planned. And we should have that patience and keep doing our work, and automatically things will fall in place. So generally, my friends, we are in this world of consuming. Even nowadays, many of us don't even cook and we just consume from the hotel. But definitely, there is always a joy in creation. So the more we become creators, it gives us internal joy, and we're also contributing to this world. Have a great week. See you soon next week. Thank you.